In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or add permissions in Microsoft Forms. This is a crucial skill, whether you're gathering feedback, conducting surveys, or working with a team on form creation. Let's dive in and explore how you can control access to your forms, both in terms of who can respond and who can collaborate on editing them. First, let's talk about controlling who can respond to your form, often referred to as collecting response permissions. Start by opening your form in Microsoft Forms. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Collect Responses. Depending on your version, you might find it under Send, Share as well. Clicking on this option will open the sharing dialog, where you'll make some important decisions. You have several choices here. If you select Anyone can respond, it means that anyone with the link, whether they're inside or outside your organization, can fill out the form. On the other hand, choosing Only people in my organization can respond restricts responses to users within your company or tenant. If you need even more control, you can opt for Specific people in my organization can respond, which lets you handpick certain users or groups permitted to participate. In this same settings area, you have some additional options at your disposal. Consider enabling Record Name, which allows you to see who has responded. You can also limit the form to one response per person, which is handy for ensuring a single opinion per participant. If your form is time-sensitive, you can set start and end dates to dictate when the form is accessible. For a bit of customization, shuffle your questions, display a progress bar, or create a unique thank you message for respondents. Lastly, under Response Receipts, you have the option to let respondents receive an email receipt or to be notified when you get a new response. Now, let's move on to adding or changing collaborators, which is all about deciding who can edit your form. If you wish for others to contribute beyond just responding, open up your form and head to More Form Settings, which may appear as 3 dots, or simply More. From there, select Collaborate or Duplicate. Within the Add Collaborators section, you have further choices to make. You can choose to allow any user with a Microsoft 365 work or school account to view and edit. If you prefer to keep it internal, select People in my organization with the link Can Collaborate. For even greater specificity, opt for Specific people in your org can view and edit and select your collaborators. Once you've made your choice, copy the collaboration link and share it with those who should have edit access. A key point to remember is that only you, as the form owner, can change the permission level later. While co-authors can make edits, they can't alter the permission type. If at any point you need to stop sharing or remove access, simply go back to More Settings, then Collaborate or Duplicate, and delete the link to remove their permissions. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to managing permissions in Microsoft Forms. I hope this empowers you to take full control of your form sharing scenarios. Thanks for watching and happy form creating.